JFW, South India's leading women's magazine. Now read at your convenience. To subscribe to your e-copy, log on to emag.jfwonline.com.
Today we meet Aruna Pati, who's lived in Chennai for 46 years, but is actually a Malayali who was born and raised in Singapore. So of course, both cultures greatly influence her cooking. Today the Malayali in her is going to be cooking for us. Let's step into her kitchen and find out just what.
I'm going to demonstrate the Mambazham Pulissery, which is a very popular dish in Kerala. In fact, if you go to Kerala at this time of the year, you'll find almost in every house, Mambazham Pulissery is served as one of the dishes. This dish can be done with pineapple when mangoes are not available, or the Nendram Param. We are going to add this mango into the pot. I'm pouring some water to cook the mangoes. I've not added oil, I've not added anything except for water and mango. Now I'm going to add the half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to add in now the chili powder, which is like 1 heaped spoon of chili powder. I am adding salt now. This salt could be added according to your taste. There are some people who like less salt, some people who like more salt. So please do it according to your taste. We are going to close it to let it cook for about 7 minutes. I'm going to add the coconut mix now because the juice is already reduced, and I think this is the point of time where we have to add the coconut mix. I'm going to put some curry leaf into the curds. This is just to give an added flavor. You can do it otherwise, but then I'm going to add the curds in. And please make sure that once the curds go in, don't keep it too much on the stove. It should be a quick process after that. You can just add a little bit of water to dilute your curry a little bit. Just a little bit of water. Now it's just about not even 1 minute, you should keep it on the stove. This is the jaggery that's going to go in. That just enhances the flavor of the sweetness of the curry.
The beautiful aroma of cooking mango, it's filled up your entire garden. So are we ready to taste that?
Yes,
excellent.
Please. Yes, looking forward to.
So this usually people have it with rice.
Rice, it's a side dish. It's an absolute side dish for any Kerala meal. For sadhya, for normal. You know, you can even have nechora and chicken and prawns and everything, and this goes as a dish like curd rice. You can use this for a curd dish, you know. It's and it's so much of flavor
and fragrance. Smell it. I'm going to pop some in my mouth right away. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. And it's such a unique and a different use of the mango.
Yeah.
Most of the time we just chop it up, put it in the fridge, eat it cold, or throw it into a milkshake. But this is such a unique and different flavor. Truly the taste of Kerala. Ma'am, thank you so much for sharing this with us today.
Not at all. It's my pleasure. Yeah, it's
cooking
my
for
total
us
pleasure.
And inviting us into your beautiful little kitchen.
Thank you. Thank you very much.